Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Training Wheels is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for any parent looking to introduce their child to the joys of cycling, offering a crucial stepping stone towards independent riding and building confidence on two wheels. These stabilizers provide a safe and supportive platform, allowing young riders to get a feel for balance and pedaling without the immediate fear of falling, making the learning process both fun and less intimidating. Investing in quality training wheels means investing in your child's early cycling adventures and fostering a lifelong love for outdoor activity and physical fitness. Number 5. Bicycle Training Wheels Stabilizer Kit. Help your child learn to ride with confidence and improve their sense of balance. These stabilizers provide support without you needing to hold the back of the saddle. Designed to fit most children's bicycles with wheel sizes from 12 to 20 inches. They are suitable for single-speed bikes and support riders up to 100 pounds. Crafted from high-quality, anti-slip, and wear-resistant materials, these wheels offer stability and reduce fear. They are lightweight and operate quietly. Installation is straightforward with all necessary hardware and instructions included. You can easily adjust the height for optimal learning. These are compatible with over 90% of children's bikes. Please ensure there is at least 2 centimeters of space on the bicycle's bearing for the bracket. We are here to help. Contact us with any questions or issues, and we'll provide a solution within 24 hours. What we like. These training wheels offer a quiet and stable ride for young learners. They are designed for easy installation and height adjustment, making them a great choice for parents who want a hassle-free setup. If you are looking for a reliable and user-friendly option to help your child gain confidence on their bike, these are a solid pick. What people say. The training wheels are easy to install and adjust, making them a great option for parents. These training wheels are sturdy and well-made, providing excellent stability for young riders. The design of these training wheels allows for a smooth and quiet ride, ensuring a positive learning experience. Number 4. Wald W10252 Bicycle Training Wheels. Introducing the Wald W10252 training wheels, designed to help young riders build confidence on their bikes. These wheels are suitable for bicycles with 16 to 20-inch wheels. Featuring 512-inch diameter plated steel wheels with rubber tires, they are built to last. They are intended for riders weighing up to 100 pounds. Our new frame adapters allow these training wheels to be mounted on bicycles with 0.75 and 1-inch frame tubes. They can also fit 1.25-inch frame tubes without the adapters. Installation is straightforward. Ensure there is at least 3/8 of an inch of axle protruding beyond the axle nut on both sides of the rear wheel for a proper fit. These training wheels are designed exclusively for single-speed bicycles. Please note they are not designed for multi-speed bicycles. What we like. Built with robust plated steel and rubber tires, this set provides a sturdy foundation for learning. The inclusion of frame adapters enhances compatibility with various bike frame sizes. If your priority is durability and a secure fit for a single-speed bike, this option is worth considering. What people say. The training wheels are sturdy and well-made, providing excellent stability for young riders. Easy to install and adjust, these training wheels fit perfectly on most 16-inch bikes. The rubberized wheels offer a smooth and quiet ride, preventing scratches on the floor. Number 3. Tayizoo Bike Training Wheels for Kids Bikes. Introducing Tayizoo Bike Training Wheels, designed to help your child build confidence and balance on their first bike. They offer steady support for learning to pedal and stop. These training wheels are compatible with most 12 to 20-inch single-speed kids' bikes. Ensure your bike has a standard rear axle for a perfect fit. Experience a smoother ride with our 4.5-inch wheels that light up as they roll. They activate with motion, requiring no batteries for endless fun. Setting them up is a breeze. With adjustable height options and included hardware, you can easily install them yourself. Just remember to tighten everything securely before each ride. Your purchase includes everything for installation, plus a bonus bike bell. Get ready for safe and enjoyable cycling adventures. What we like. These training wheels add an element of fun with their silent, flashing wheels that light up as your child rides. They offer a smooth and steady experience, promoting balanced development. If you want to make learning to ride more engaging and exciting for your child, especially with the added visual appeal of flashing lights, this is the set to go for. What people say. The training wheels are very sturdy and well made, providing excellent stability for beginners. Easy to install and adjust, these training wheels allow for a smooth transition to riding without support. The design is thoughtful, with rubberized wheels that grip the ground well, preventing slips and ensuring a safer learning experience. Number 2. Alpcour Quick Release Rear Wheel Skewer. Ensure your stationary bike stays secure with this essential accessory. It fits perfectly on your rear wheel axle, providing stability and preventing your bike from tipping over during rides. Setting up your bike trainer is a breeze with this rear wheel replacement skewer. Save time and effort as it allows for quick and easy installation and removal whenever you need it. Designed with a quick release feature, it's simple to lock into place, making it ideal for beginners. Professionals will also appreciate its firm and secure tightening, perfect for intense training sessions. This skewer is designed to work with most bike trainers, offering broad compatibility. For the best fit, it's recommended for use with Alpcour bike trainer stands, fitting rear axles with diameters from 4.92 to 6.57 inches. Crafted from high-quality alloy, this accessory boasts exceptional hardness, sturdiness, and corrosion resistance. It's built to last, making it a reliable choice for road and mountain bikes in any climate. What we like. This is a replacement skewer specifically designed for bike trainers, offering a quick and hassle-free setup. Its durable alloy construction ensures it can withstand rigorous training sessions. If you need a reliable and secure skewer to keep your bike stable on an indoor trainer, this is an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced riders. What people say. The training wheels are sturdy and well made, providing excellent stability for beginners. Easy to install and adjust, allowing for quick setup and customization to the child's needs. Durable construction ensures longevity and can withstand rough terrain, making them suitable for various riding conditions. Number 1. Alpcour Bike Front Wheel Riser Trainer Block. Transform your indoor cycling experience with this essential training accessory. It's designed to provide a natural riding position, making your workouts more effective and comfortable. Crafted from premium, durable materials, this riser block is built for stability and longevity. You can push your limits during intense sessions without worrying about equipment failure. Experience a natural riding posture, just like you would outdoors. This feature is key to optimizing your training and ensuring comfort during every ride. Enhance the effectiveness of your indoor workouts. Its robust design allows you to focus your energy and achieve peak performance, even when training at home. Train with confidence thanks to the integrated anti-skid feature. It keeps the block firmly in place, preventing accidents and protecting your floors from scratches. Designed to work with a wide range of bikes, including most road and mountain bike wheel sizes. It's the perfect solution for cyclists with multiple bikes or various tire setups. What we like. This training block is designed to elevate the front wheel, simulating a more natural riding position for indoor training. Its anti-skid base ensures stability and protects your floors. If you are focused on indoor cycling training and want to enhance your workout efficiency and comfort, this accessory is ideal for maintaining a realistic riding posture. What people say. The training wheels are easy to install and adjust, making them a great option for parents who want to help their child learn to ride. These training wheels are very sturdy and well made, providing excellent stability for young riders. The design of these training wheels ensures a smooth and quiet ride, preventing any rattling or wobbling. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.